I am here to make a difference. I am not here to pass my time. पर्यंत लाइटली नेबा से पर्यंत हमको केबे भी किछि भी रिजल्ट मिलिबनी एंती 6 मास 7 मास 8 मास पळैबो then this is actually not for you. This video is not at all for you. For those people who are really very much committed to their life and career and they think that improving their communication skills can really make a very big difference in their life, then this is for you. जय जगन्नाथ इंग्लिश शिखा नेचुरली आपण जानी आमर जो स्पोकन इंग्लिश शिखा जाऊ आमर इंग्लिश न हेबार सबुठ बड़ कारण कौन तार सबुठ बड़ कारण ए जे आमर गोटे मेंटल ब्लॉक आम निजे क्रिएट करूँ जहाँ कहे कि आमर केबे इंग्लिश हबनी आमर केबे भी इंग्लिश हबनी एंड लेट मी टेल यू दैट इज द ट्रुथ कि मोर केबे भी इंग्लिश हबनी एटा केबे भी हबनी जेते बेले पर्यंत आपण से जिंस कंटिन्यू टू डू व्हेन यू कीप डूइंग द सेम थिंग व्हिच यू यूज्ड टू डू इन योर पास्ट देन यू कैन नॉट एक्चुअली गेट अ बेटर रिजल्ट से जिंस करुवे से भूलटा को रिपीट करुवे से एक्चुअली जिंस गुड़ाक चेंजेस न आणिकी ताकू से भाई भाव में आउ थे करुवे देन आमर केबे भी हबनी आउ गोटे जिनस मन रखु आपड़ जदि इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली कहवाक चाहूँगी द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज यू हैव टू बी वेरी सीरियस यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यू गिव इनफ टाइम टू योर सेल्फ फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट डोंट टेक इट लाइटली नॉट एट ऑल डोंट टेक इट लाइटली आ गोटे जानते लोकंर एक्चुअली मेंटालिटी थाए जे वी आर लर्निंग स्पोकन इंग्लिश because we want to show off that we know English, we can speak English. But see, if you have that kind of mentality and this is how you are thinking, then this is actually not for you. This video is not at all for you. Because if you're really serious to have changes in your communication skills, if you think that improving your communication skills can really change your life, make a better future for yourself, then this is the video for you. I'm damn serious for those people who are really very much committed to their life and career and they think that improving their communication skills can really make a very big difference in their life, and this is for you. Remember one thing, आमे जेते बेले स्पोकन इंग्लिश शिखिबा को जाऊ आमर एक्चुअली जो आमर प्रॉब्लम्स थाए ताकू आमको फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफाई करिया बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट केतेटा स्टूडेंट था जो मैंने एक्चुअली किसी लेखिबारे बहुत भल से माने ग्रामर भी बहुत भल किंतु सुनला बेलू से माने कहबे वी कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड इवन सिंपल जिनस भी से माने बुझी परिबेनी सो देयर प्रॉब्लम इज लिसनिंग स्किल्स केजन एक्चुअली ग्रामर रे बहुत ही बढ़िया से माने एक्चुअली गोटे एसे भी बहुत सुंदर भाव में लिखि पकेबे किंतु जेते बेले कहबाको हबो दे कैन नॉट ओपन देयर माउथ बिकॉज दे हैव हेजिटेशन आ केते जण थांती जो माने बेसिक लेवल रे थांती एकदम बिगिनर लेवल रे थांती से मानकर रीडिंग भी हुएनी से दे कैन नॉट रीड आल्सो प्रॉपर्ली दे कैन आइडेंटिफाई वर्ड्स बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू रीडिंग दे कैन नॉट ओपन देयर माउथ so it's very important to diagnose your problem. You have to find out where you are basically lacking, and let me tell you one thing, if you really want to improve your communication skills, you have to work on these 4 sets of skills: reading, writing, listening and speaking. All these 4 sets are equally important. जेते बेले हमें भाबू कि हमें एक्चुअली जस्ट स्पीकिंग कर देबा manage कर देबा see that would happen for some time. You can try to do that for some time, not for a very long time. If you are thinking to make a career, if you're thinking that speaking skills is extremely important for me, then you have to take it very seriously. And I'll tell you one thing, who is the best teacher who can really teach you the best way what you want to do? It's just yourself. Because you know where you're standing, you know where are you lacking, you know your areas of improvements. So you are the best teacher for yourself. You have to work for yourself. You have to work for yourself. It is extremely important. आपण जदि भाबिबे कि मु समय दे परिबिनी, I don't have enough time, I really want to improve but I don't have time. See, both the things actually doesn't go together. I really want to speak fluently but I don't have enough time. See boss, if you really want to speak fluently, you have to take out time. You have to take out time. You have to take it very, very seriously. There is no other way out. आमे जे पर्यंत लाइटली नेबा से पर्यंत आमको केबे भी किछि भी रिजल्ट मिलिबनी. एमती 6 मास 7 मास 8 मास पळाइबो. किंतु एमती बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स अछि जो माने स्टूडेंट्स माने दे कम टू लर्न स्पोकन इंग्लिश बट दे कम आउट बीइंग अ टीचर in that institute. There are many such examples. How out of 60 students, out of 40 students, how those 1 or 2 are being able to make a difference? Why not others? The same method of teaching was being imparted to everybody, right? So why those 1 or 2 people come out, stand out? That is because of their determination. They think that, okay, I am here to make a difference. I am not here to pass my time. The same kind of determination you have to have in your life, in your mind. जहाँ भी ए पर्यंत हेनी ताकू आपण करिबाकू बाध्य. जदि आपण जदि चाहुचंदी किछि नुआ जिंस पाइबाकू लाइफ रे, जदि आपण गोटे job seeker, if you are working, if you are trying to get a better job, if you are a student, then it is a golden opportunity for you. It is a golden opportunity for you because you have enough time to work for yourself. Reading, writing, listening, speaking, everything. If you are a homemaker and if you want to enhance your communication skills so that you can travel and you can talk to the children, school teachers in their parents teacher meeting, then you try to take out time for yourself. Finish off all the things faster, sooner. If you're a good planner, plan out things and do it fast so that you take out time for yourself. Now, and if you're a job holder and if you have a lot of things to do, make sure that you have enough capabilities that you will plan in such a way कि मो पाखरे एतिक समय अछि जे मु निजको totally 100% occupied रखिबिनी. I know my job is my responsibility or my family is my responsibility, but learning is also important. Now दिन सारा भीतर at the end of the day, either you have enough space in your mind कि मो पाखरे एतिक एनर्जी थाउ जे मु घरे गले एतिक पाठ निश्चय पढिबी कि early in the morning I'll get up and I'll do these things. See, one thing you have to get is straight, and there are no two ways about it. If you really want to make changes, you have to take out time for yourself. Every day 1 or 2 hours is extremely important. ଆଉ ସେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖିବେ ଯେ ଧୀରେ 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 ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ କେତେ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଭାବରେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଉଛି, ଏ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଭାବରେ ଆପଣ ଇମ୍ପ୍ରୁଭ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି. ରିଡ଼ିଂ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପାଉଛନ୍ତି କିଛି ନା କିଛି ରିଡ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ, ରିଡ୍ ଆଲାଉଡ୍. Listen to those things which you can understand. Don't try to listen to the English movies or something that is of really advanced level. If you're a beginner level, listen to something easy to understand. Write whatever you see, the sentences, articles or stories, write one paragraph and speak. Just speak out on any topic. Maybe like the advantages and disadvantages of online shopping, or another topic is like you have arranged marriage versus love marriage. Whatever is your thoughts, you just speak for 1 or 2 minutes. Again, record your voice and speak for another 1 or 2 minutes and see slowly how you are improving. See, everything is possible. Everything is possible. And mind one thing, my friend, that this world is getting globalized. And in this world of globalization, English is the most important language, is the international language. And if you make it as your strength, then you just shine like a star. This is evident. Everybody can actually realize it. समस्ते ये जिन रियलाइज करते इंग्लिश पावर कौन आपण धीरे 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 निज को इम्प्रूव करंतु आ निज को एते आपण सक्षम करंतु जे निज को एते आपण केपेबल करंतु कि यू कम टू दैट लेवल वेयर यू नो यू ट्राई टू इन्फ्लुएंस others. You try to influence others. You try to say, hey boss, this is not the way you should do. You try to do it. You'll get better results. You come to that level. ए पर्यंत आपण जेते की भी फेलियर हेची, forget about that. Plan out how I will go ahead. What's my next step? You plan out accordingly. And then you see the difference. Your life is much more important than your failures. Your life is much more bigger and larger than your failures. And your life's success depends on yourself. So make your dreams fulfilled with your trials, with your best efforts. आमे कहीं खाली स्वप्न देखिबा आमे से स्वप्न को सत्य भी करि परिबा and that is definitely possible by ourselves. So always believe in yourself, plan out things and make things possible. Until then, keep learning. Jai Jagannath.